Oh no, no, no. Yeah. Then yeah, you.
It's never on the beat.
I should know that I'm a baller, yeah. I should know that I'm a big boy, yeah. I should know that I'm yeah. See, I got the SOV for my baby girl, but so nice like a training cell, fella. Bad girl make you hold me well, fella. Bad girl make you hold me well, I saw her back in the days, fine day, baby.
I'ma get my love, my fantasy, but I know, hey, mama get back to me, but I know, say, baby, man, I'll get it. I'ma get mine, I'll get it. I'ma get show my dog, get it. Why show my dog, get it? Oh, baby, man, I'll get it. I'ma get mine, I'll get it. I'ma get show my dog, get it. Why show my dog, get it? Hey, want my mommy, oh, want my mom. Mama baby oh, mama no oh, mama lola oh, mama eh, mama me oh, mama baby oh, mama no oh, mama no mama.
Yeah, very good friend. So I got a talk just like this. You never chop this morning. This morning I never chop. I just sit down for that place. Can we be the first person to enter that? Please check. But me first come before you. Don't tell me they remove work since. Yeah. Okay, no worry. You never chop, so I go for anything else give you.
Anything, bros, anything.
But right, still, the team manager.
Bring on now.
Any right?
I love that.
Hey, bring on. Okay, just wait, eh? My friend, I just enter kitchen just now. I just discover say all those women will come. They don't carry the main rice come on. But the rest of them are just white rice. We get stew like, let's say this stew. This stew is good to a woman, just makes sense. If you see her, you like her.
Okay, bring on, bros.
You're ready, huh?
Oh, bring this thing, let me chop.
Yeah? I just enter kitchen just now, go check. The only thing we did now is say white rice we do, but they no come mix some. But like that kind of yesterday's stew today. I don't know you reason. It go let you use body stew. You see, it's still good, sha. I don't know whether it will taste bad for you. Stew be there.
Okay, bring on.
Your manager.
Our manager, bring on.
You go fit for
God, bring this thing.
They come. Hey, my friend. I be sitting at rest. Why open the cooler? Now, but they said, you want me my wife make difference dinner? Make this sense. But the soup is a new one. Those want me there.
Well, excuse me. Are you sure of the date? Are you sure it's day before yesterday night or yesterday night or last year ever?
Day before yesterday, but something next day inside. But now next something. The soup is a new one. Boga soup. Wow. Do
bring on.
You want?
I'm used to last week ever. Bring on. Not the one with new ever. Bring the day for.
You want it?
Bros, bring on.
You go fit on your belly.
How many days ever?
Let's not 3 days. Maybe 3 days. Something like that.
Bring on.
Okay, you. Now you're done. Yeah, that's the truth. This morning don't like the work. Me don't tire. I never chop. The only food when they say that they reserve, maybe they don't keep us hungry. But me, the food not there. I just might say tell you, you all know say I be try for you, but food not there. You mean no food? If you go as come back, maybe those people wait eat, they chop the meat, they not chop the rice. You feel me for 6 kilograms. Few if you just just package them back. You feel the there's no food.
You mean food not a gabi?
Not this point now. You be still go. You come back after everything. You see food. Hi.
So food not a.
You know the. Me go say something for you.
No food.
I don't go come back. You can't see me.